In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add extensions on your Twitch account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you want to get more tools on your Twitch account, you can simply do this by adding extensions. To do this, go ahead and log into your Twitch account, and once you are logged in, head over to your profile account on top here. If you click on this, look for this option, Creator Dashboard. Now, if I go to Creator Dashboard, here we shall have a whole new interface. Go to the sidebar menu and then look for extensions. If you click on this, now you can see we have various extensions that we have on Twitch. Go ahead and find any extension that you wish. For instance, I wish to add Stream Sync extension. Go ahead and tap on it and then just tap on install to add your extension. Once you are done, now you can finally activate it to add that extension. However, you have to note that some extensions might want you to customize them before you can add to channel. So you can add as many extensions by just clicking on add to my channel here, and they will be added and activated just as you request. So that's how you can add extensions on your Twitch account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.